Anti-inflammation veggie smoothie recipe. Before we continue with the video, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe. Your subscription is very important for the channel's growth. It enables us to create more quality content, make the channel better and better for you. Is it a deal? Click the subscribe button. Thank you. This is a simple yet powerful recipe for an anti-inflammatory vegetable smoothie that will leave you feeling energized and revitalized. But before that, we need to freeze the vegetables to preserve nutrients, extends shelf life, enhances smoothie taste, adds convenience, and ensures year-round availability. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of nutrient-rich kale, packed with anti-inflammatory compounds and vitamins. 1 cup of fresh parsley, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. The juice of 1 lemon, bursting with vitamin C and citric acid to prevent kidney stone. A slice of sea kelp tablespoon size, packed with essential nutrients and minerals, especially iodine, for a healthy thyroid. 3 tablespoons of probiotic-rich kefir, to promote gut health and reduce inflammation. A pinch of Himalayan salt, rich in trace minerals to balance electrolytes. And 1 cup of water. Simply add all the ingredients to a blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Depending on your blender's power, this should take around 20 to 40 seconds. And there you have it, a vibrant, nutrient-packed anti-inflammatory blend vegetable ready to enjoy. Cheers to your health! Here is the list of ingredients. Be sure to subscribe for more healthy and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.